I'm in Lewannick today, and the property I'm going to show you is a bungalow, detached, very close to the village centre of Lewannick, which is also close and convenient to the A30, Bodmin Moor, everywhere else you want to go to in this part of Cornwall. As you can see behind me, we've got the church tower. That belongs to the church, so we're close to the church. We're also close to the village shop, the pub, the school, primary school, and the community centre. So it's a very compact but useful village. And here at this bungalow, we've got the 3 bedrooms. One of them was constructed out of the garage very recently, so it comes with a lovely ensuite shower room as well. The other 2 bedrooms are both doubles. You've got a family bathroom that they share, then you've got a good sized living room which leads on in to a good sized kitchen, then to utility room. The garden is absolutely fantastic. It's mostly level, mostly laid to lawn, so easy to look after, and enclosed by timber fencing that you can see behind me. So have a look at the inside and see what you think, and then view. Take care.